Fiido C11 is a city commuter that has a nice design, a rear hub motor with 678 watts of peak power, a front suspension, a removable battery, an informative display, app support, and a lot more other features. In this video, I will go through the unboxing experience, design, specs, features, riding experience, real-life range, and conclusions, including the pros and cons of the Fiido C11. The bike comes in a Fiido branded box and it arrived safely packed with no transportation damage. I like that Fiido uses these accessory boxes where all items are packed neatly and safely. In the box, you get all the parts that need to be assembled, tools, a charger and a cable, a set of keys, and so on. It took me about 20 minutes to fully assemble the bike. In case you need help, check out the manufacturer's easy-to-follow tutorial. At the time of this video, the bike costs 899 euros in the EU, but prices vary in different regions. Check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and other information. Also, while you're there, please subscribe to the channel for more e-bike videos. The C11 is a nice-looking and well-constructed e-bike. It is designed mostly for city commuting, but you can also occasionally use it on the forest or a similar path thanks to this tire thread. I like this emerald blue color, which to my eyes looks more like dark green. There is also a white color available, but I think that this color looks better and it has more character. This glossy paint finish is very nice. It is high quality and it gives the bike a premium look and feel. The overall build quality is very good too. All parts are precisely assembled and there is zero rattle while riding the bike. A step-through frame makes it very easy to hop on and off the bike. As far as specifications go, the C11 aims to deliver a good balance between a graceful and lightweight design, wheel size, motor power, speed, riding comfort, and battery capacity. The handlebar height is not adjustable, but you can easily change the angle of it. You can easily adjust the height of the saddle to fit most riders' heights. Other key components include a cadence sensor, a front fork suspension, hydraulic disc brakes on the front and back, a high-quality 6-speed Shimano gear system, a robust metal-made kickstand, and lightweight fenders that are made of plastic. There is a metal-made rear rack with a 25 kilograms load capacity. You can also mount the front rack thanks to 4 mounting points with the pre-installed screws and washers. Well-go-made pedals use a combination of metal and plastic and they feel robust and have a good grip. The front light is decently bright for night riding. However, I'm not a big fan of this concentrated spotlight-style light spread. The rear light is among the brightest I've seen on any e-bike and it's easily visible during the day and night. There is also an integrated brake light, which is very important for riding safety. Now let's take a look at this cruiser-style handlebar. First of all, it is very comfortable to hold on to when riding thanks to its shape. Also, these are some of my favorite grips as they are nice to the touch, they do not slip or twist, and they do not irritate my skin or make my palms sweaty. The brake levers are very nice and responsive, we have a nice thumb throttle and a smooth gear shifter. The color display is nicely backlit and it can be easily seen in the dark. The main screen shows information like real-time speed, battery left, and status indicators. It also provides sound feedback every time you press the button. There is a USB port to charge your phone or other devices. You can choose between 0, Eco, Normal, Sport, Turbo, and Turbo Plus power assist modes. Press the button to see the trip, time, speed, and the odometer. Press the gear switch button to switch between kilometers and miles. Press the button to control the lights. Press and hold the button to unlock and lock the speed limit, which is the most intuitive method of toggling between speed limits I've seen on e-bikes in recent memory. You can also press and hold the gear switch button to enable or disable cruise control feature. The bike can be connected to your phone using Fiido Riding app via Bluetooth. Within the app, you can lock and unlock the bike, turn on or off the lights, record your trip, change the device name, bind frame number, use the smart unlock feature if you have the fairway watch, or turn on or off the throttle. You can also use the bike guard feature, but keep in mind that in this mode, the bike can only be turned on using the Fiido app and cannot be switched on from the display. The app also allows you to switch between kilometers and miles, choose between 3 or 5 power assist levels, adjust cruise control, speed unlock, and other features. The electric horn is very loud. Here is an audio sample. Now let's talk about the riding experience and how all of the bike's hardware works in practice. The C11 is smooth and comfortable to ride on asphalt, the terrain it's mainly designed for. The bike feels stable and smooth even when riding over 40 km per hour after unlocking the speed limit. I was able to reach over 50 km per hour when riding the bike downhill, and it still felt stable and manageable. I didn't feel tired even after a few hours ride, which is key for these cruiser-style e-bikes. The thumb throttle is highly responsive. However, there is a slight delay when the cadence sensor kicks in once you start pedaling, the usual case for this kind of sensor on all e-bikes. Simply hit the throttle to avoid any delays. The front suspension feels nice and soft, you can lock it if you need it, and it does a good job of absorbing the road's impact. The bike is not designed for off-road use, but it can easily handle unpaved paths. However, I felt comfortable riding the e-bike off-road only at relatively low speed due to the lack of rear suspension. Climbing capabilities are pretty good thanks to relatively high peak motor power output. That means that you will need to pedal a little bit, but you won't be breaking a sweat. The hydraulic disc brakes are very nice. They stop the bike fast without making any squeaking noise. Overall, riding experience is very good. There is a decent amount of power, the bike is stable and smooth, and I always felt comfortable riding it. Fiido is among the rare companies that provide real-world range testing results that are highly comparable to my range tests. A huge respect for Fiido for doing this. This table shows what you can exactly expect depending on your riding style. Your mileage may vary, but with my riding style, I could get about 60 km on a single charge. The declared 90 km range using Eco mode with pedal assist is very realistic. The battery is lockable with a key and you can charge it either while it is inside the frame of the bike or take it out for charging it at home. There is also a battery capacity indicator that can be seen with a push of a button. All in all, I'm very impressed with the Fiido C11, especially given its retail price. I love the design, excellent build quality, and beautiful paint finish. The C11 also offers good riding comfort, it has good brakes, the bike has a decent amount of power, and it is pretty fast. I love the display that gives you a lot of control, and the app provides you with even more customization options. In addition, the removable battery offers a good range. At the moment, I can't really name any shortcomings of this e-bike. In fact, I might even say that Fiido C11 is one of the best city commuters currently available for the current retail price of 899 euros. It's an excellent e-bike that offers a lot of value for the price, and I can easily recommend it to any urban rider. What do you think about the Fiido C11? Would you buy this e-bike or would you choose another option? Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.